Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. First, take a moment to get comfortable inside your Prado. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to ensure a clear view and easy reach of all controls. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, understanding what each light and gauge signifies. Locate the gear selector, parking brake, and the accelerator and brake pedals before you even think about starting the engine. To begin, ensure the parking brake is engaged, then insert your key and turn it, or press the engine start button. Once the engine is running, depress the brake pedal and shift the gear selector into drive for forward motion or reverse for backing up. Release the parking brake, then gently and smoothly press the accelerator pedal to move. Remember to always maintain a safe following distance and adhere to all posted speed limits. The Prado is built for adventure, offering robust off-road capabilities. Familiarize yourself with the four-wheel drive system, typically offering two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive high, and four-wheel drive low. For extremely challenging terrain, engage four-wheel drive low. Utilize the multi-terrain select system to optimize traction for surfaces like mud, sand, or rocks. On steep descents, activate downhill assist control for a controlled and safe descent. When you're ready to park, signal your intentions well in advance. Use your mirrors and any available cameras to guide you safely into your chosen parking spot. Once positioned, shift the gear selector into park and firmly engage the parking brake. Finally, turn off the engine by turning the key or pressing the engine stop button. Always ensure your vehicle is securely parked before exiting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.